Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your apps are not working properly or missing new features, they might need an update. In this video, I will show you how to check for app updates on your phone easily. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on Updates Available. Here, you will see a list of all apps that have updates available. You can update all apps at once by tapping Update All. You can also update apps one by tapping Update next to each app. Now, for system or default apps, the process is similar. Open your phone's default app store. This could be Samsung Galaxy Store or another system app store. Now go to the Updates section. Here, you will see available updates for system apps. Keeping apps updated helps fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. Make sure to check for updates regularly to avoid app issues. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone fixes and troubleshooting tips.